Hey, it's
Okay.
and I am
Okay.
doing a burpee contest by myself.
Okay, I will.
Got 28.
Okay, bye. Why not? Okay, bye.
Oh! That was kind of weak.
Okay. Do you need another one? I'm not. Okay, bye.
And she says her parents aren't protective. Summer.
That face.
Summer, and you say your parents aren't that protective.
Yeah, I know. Exactly. No, he doesn't care that they're not here. She's just like, you should tell them about it.
I know, I was going to.
What?
I was going to. This sucks.